my name is Stefan and I'm the only team member on Firmament. Firmament is a reward system for companies who want to enable their employees to give rewards out to each other.
Here are the project goals. I wanted to achieve tipping through blockchain transactions. A Slack integration should be ready. Buying tokens with a credit card should work, and transactions by real users should be on the system before the end of phase 2. Let's see how it worked out. Here's how it works. I signed up a new user, Jane. And Jane just came into this Slack channel. It's her first time here and she wants to know her balance. So what she does is just type balance and see what happens. She's new, so she doesn't have any RWD tokens. So what's she gonna do? She might ask someone, but yeah, what happened here? Someone sent me RWD tokens. It was like an airdrop from the system. She can now check her balance again, and there she is, 2 RWD tokens. Well, this is Steve. Steve has been on it a little bit longer. He already got 4.2 RWD tokens, and he's happy that Jane is there. And now he decides to tip her 1 RWD token to Jane. He wants to send her a message. Welcome. So what it's doing now, it's sending the transaction through the blockchain. So it doesn't happen instantly, but as soon as it's happened, Jane gets her RWD. She got 1 RWD from Steve. She's going to app.firmamentbot.com, which is a pretty simple website where she can just log in with her Slack. Authorize it. And there she is, her dashboard. She received a tip. She received 1 RWD. She never sent a tip, and she's got 3 RWD. Awesome! She likes it so much she wants more RWD. She can wait for her colleagues to send her more, but she can also go ahead and just buy some RWD. So now what happens? When does it arrive? Well, it's simple. As you can see, she just got a notification in Slack. Slack informs her she just bought 10 RWD. Let's see, /balance. There she is. She's got 13 RWD tokens. Well, what I'm working on is adding more integrations. Right now, Slack's the only supported system. Now that we've done all this, what happened to the transactions? Well, here we are. This is the log. Now let's see some action on the live logs. Well, empty. Let's go ahead and just tip again. And I guess she wants to tip me for the video. Tell me that it's awesome. So let's take a look at the live log. There we are. We've got a transaction. Okay, now let's check the block explorer for RWD. And we can see here are the transactions. Now for a quick recap. As you have seen, tipping through the blockchain works. The Slack integration is ready, and you can buy tokens using a credit card. My favorite point is that I got real users to try out transactions on my own Slack channel. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.